also, I should have mentioned this first, is your candle wax. Hey, you guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you know, we did start a candle making business. I don't know why I'm saying we did, but I started a candle making business and I am so excited and it's going very well. So I decided to just bring you guys a video on the basics of candle making and what you need to start your own candle making business. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So whatever you're doing, just sit back, relax, and let's get on with this video. So it seems like my lighting is not so good right here, but this is the entire setup of the things that you will need in order to start your candle business. Now, before we get into that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Go and like these videos and turn on your notifications to be notified whenever I upload a video. I'm still going to be doing my lip gloss videos. Yes, I'm not done with that because, like I said, this is like strictly a business channel. So we're going to be doing business stuff and some other little vlogs and stuff from time to time. And yeah, so my candle business is love language candles. So if you guys have been following me already, you will see that I have already started making candles on my Instagram pages. And yeah, you can go and check out the website page. For now, it's still the Queen's Ink. And like I said earlier, I have moved the cosmetics to my Etsy page fully, and I just switch the candle making pages to the Queen's Ink, and I think I'm gonna be maybe just twisting the name of my business a little bit. So I'm not sure as yet, but we'll get into that as I get along throughout this business journey. Yeah, so what I have here is the basic setup that you would need in order to make candles or to own your own candle business and start up business as a candle maker. So first is you will be needing something to heat. I use this heat plate that I got from Walmart. I prefer this. Others do the double broil method. It's similar to like we did with the melting the butters, like for body butters and lip balms and stuff. You use a pot and you fill it with water, and then you can put something like this in it or something like this over the pot. But I use just strictly this to heat up my wax. I also use this. This is what I put the wax in. Like, it's a pot that I use to heat up the wax on this heat plate right here. And you can find these on Amazon. This is where I got this from. You're also gonna need your thermometer because this is essential in the candle making business. Well, right now I'm just doing the basics on what you need. So further down, if anybody wants to know exactly what these items are for, then you can just hit me up in the comments below or something like that. Yeah, so we got through this and this. This is the pot that I got from Amazon. These are some utensils like spoons, like, and whatever that came with, I think this came with this pot. What I use these for is like to stir the wax as it's melting, and some I use for fragrance and stuff like that. So you will be needing a scale. This is a regular kitchen scale. It has like weight, ounces, pounds, and this is needed. Very important. Like, these are the basics. Like, when I say basics, these are the important stuff that you must have. So this is a scale. I think I got this also from Walmart some time ago. I always had this scale with even making my lip glosses. What you're gonna need are your jars or containers, whatever you prefer. I prefer this clear glass here. I'm starting out with these. I don't know if I'll stick with it. I love them. They're very elegant, and it comes with a glass top, or you can get it with gold, metal top, silver, or bronze. So I really love these. What you're gonna need also are your wicks. These are just a few wicks. I'm just showing you guys. These are pre-tabbed wicks. And then you're going to need the tab stickers for the wicks. Like I said, these are just basic stuff that you will be needing. These are wick holders. Like you place these like this to hold the wicks in place. And I have like 3 or 4 different types like this. And I really love these wooden ones. I really like them. So they hold things in place pretty good. And I got these wicks from Candle Science. And the wick holders, I got them off of Amazon, and the wick tabs. Amazon is a good place to also shop for your candle supplies. What you're gonna need here also, I should have mentioned this first, is your candle wax. I'm not going to go about explaining the waxes yet. Like I said, this is just the basics. So you're going to need your candle wax. In my next video, then we'll go into depth some more with other stuff. So that's the candle wax here, and this is like 5 pounds. I think I got. You're going to be needing your fragrance oils. So I have a few here. I have lots of fragrance oils that I'm trying out, but these bigger ones here are what I'm sticking with. And yeah, I got these from Candle Science, and I also got some from Pro Candle Supply, I think it was. Yeah, and then these are some colors, like dye colors, that if you want to make colorful candles, you can also have those there also. Here is a heat gun. They said this is your best friend when candle making. So I had this because I had some problems with my previous wax, and this came in a bit handy, but I'm not using it as much now, or hardly, with the wax that I changed it to. So these are the warning labels. You're going to need these for your candles also, warning labels. And this here is a little pot. Like I said, you can put it in the double broiler. What I do with this is I usually, when I'm making colors, I separate some of the hot wax in this, which makes it more pretty easier for me, I should say. And this comes in very handy, and I got this also from Amazon. Yeah, so that's pretty much, like I said, these status jars, I love those. That's pretty much what you would need for your candle making business. And in my next video, we will go in depth, and we will be making some candles. So I did have this package come in earlier today, and it's from Candle Science, as you can see. Yeah, so these are some more wicks that I ordered because we're going to be doing wick testing. They have pretty good deals on wicks also, and their shipping is very fast. That's what I love about them. Some more fragrance oils. These are the covers that I mentioned, the gold ones. Those for the containers. And we have this box in here. Let's see what's in here. Yes, these tops. How elegant. Yeah. Do you have anything else in here? I think that's it that I ordered. Yeah. So I did order some other wax from, I'm gonna try the virgin coconut soy. So I got that, so I'll be showing you guys that also. So hey again, this is the wax that I got from the wooden wick. It was packaged so neatly and so nice. It reminded me of a nice gift bag that I was getting. But right here, I had to go out at Lowe's and purchase this. This is like for painting and stuff. So I had to get this to cut the wax because it comes in the slab and not the flakes. I usually had the flaky type wax that was the soy wax, the 464, but I am using now the coconut soy wax blend, and it comes in these slabs. But look at the packaging, you guys. It's so nice. I was thinking that I was about to open an awesome, like, expensive gift or something like that. Maybe a purse. Just kidding. But yeah, look at the packaging. I really like this packaging. The only thing with this was the weight for the wax was way too long. The shipping was way too long. You guys to go and check out my website. I have a few candles on there already, and I will be adding more. We're gonna have some Mother's Day. We're gonna have some sweet candles like strawberry shortcakes and stuff like that. Oh, I absolutely love my cupcake candles. So what I'm going to be doing today, I hope I am able to record it. I'm going to be doing my cupcake melts today, and I think that's going to be a part of my next video. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next video, and it should be soon. Bye bye, loves.